Good morning, guys. I'm taking out what to get. So right now, guys, I just got out of the shower and I am going to be starting packing soon to head home because we're going to have breakfast and we're going to go to the chapel and then we're going to head home. You guys, yes, it's been really crazy, really busy, so that's pretty cool and amazing that I get to do it now. So I'll talk to you soon. I am done.
This is my vlog channel. Check out my main channel. Do. It's Go Dogs for One.
Lord, they replied, and Jesus wept. He's deeply moved in spirit, and he's troubled. Now, what's he troubled by? He knows he's going to raise Lazarus to life again. He's already said that. But Jesus in his humanity is deeply...
Two hours later.
So right now, you guys, we just stopped eating lunch, and we're gonna stop at this field. So that's what we're doing. Hey guys, so right now, you guys, we are gonna try the vending machine pizza. Yeah, we are gonna try the vending machine pizza. So I haven't tried it, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. So there is the vending machine pizza, you guys. I'm going to try it when I get in the vehicle. So this is my verdict, you guys. It's okay, you guys. It's not the favorite pizza, but it's okay. Say that again?
The dough tastes a little sawdusty.
What's your verdict, Mom?
It's good, but it's okay.
Would you go buy it again?
Probably not. It tastes sawdusty.
Two hours later.
We made it, you guys. I'm just heading home. I parked my vehicle at my parents' place, so I just picked up my vehicle. It's so hot in here. Wow. So that's what we are doing. So I'll talk to you guys when I get home.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you guys did, give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a brand new review. Goodbye.